Hi, my name is Fernando Gallo, and I'm the new journalism advisor here at Contra Costa College. And I'm going to tell you why you should sign up for Journalism 120, our news reporting class. Now, maybe you're not too interested in journalism or writing, and I understand that, okay? I respect that, but maybe you're interested in TV shows like Black Mirror or The Wire, perhaps docu-series like Tiger King or The Last Dance. Do you get your news from Hassan Minaj or John Oliver? Do you enjoy video game streamers like Markiplier or Dr. Lupo? Would you like to take a class with a teacher who actually knows who those people are? I do, believe it or not. What about podcasts like Serial, Pod Save America's podcast, or Pardon My Take? I'm going to guess you like something on this page. And if that's the case, you should definitely take Journalism 120 because believe it or not, all of these things have strong connections to journalism. Now, if you want to find out what those connections are, you're going to have to sign up for the class. That class is called Newswriting, and that's what it's traditionally been, but we're going to do something a little different this semester. We're going to change it up, all right? That's the rebranding. Now, listen, if you want to do some writing, we'll definitely do some writing. I will work with you on that as much as possible. But we're going to focus on multimedia as well for those that aren't that interested in writing. I promise I will not make you write all semester if you want to come learn about podcasting or video. So what will we be doing? We're going to be choosing one medium. You will choose one medium to focus on for this semester. It could be writing, it could be audio, could be podcasting, could be video. You're going to choose one format to focus on for the semester, and I'm going to teach you how to do news reporting in that format, how to light something properly, how to record interviews, all that kind of important stuff. Because I'm sure that everything in my setup looks pretty cool and casual here. Got my toys here, love my toys, but as my little dog Max is going to demonstrate, this actually looks like this from the outside. Pretty complicated, huh? Look at Max, isn't he a good boy? He is. Thank you, Max. You want to learn how to do stuff like this? Sign up for the course. Class is completely online and will start September 21st. I hope to see you there.